In this video, I will analyze modern living's advertising budget and monthly revenue using Excel. So let's start by downloading the week 9 Excel training data, which is in CSV format. So the first thing, we should click the save as, and change the file format to Excel workbook and save it, and we will get that. Okay, this kind of data. And let's do a visual check by creating a scatter plot to see if there's a relationship between advertising spend and the monthly revenue. So the first thing we should do is click the insert and choose the scatter, and right click the chart and select the data, and I set up the X value for the advertising spend and Y value for monthly revenue. So now let's add a trend line to see the linear relationship. So we should click the data points, which is the orange one and the blue one, but either of them is okay. So click them and right click and add the trends, and we will see that. So we should click the linear and click both display the equation on chart and display the R squared value on chart, and we'll work in this picture. Next, I will run a formal linear regression using Excel's built-in data analysis tools. So which means I should click the data and data analysis, which is here, and choose the regression, and I will put the input Y range is the monthly revenue, and put the X range is the advertising spend. So this regression output, which is showing here, and this will tell us how monthly revenue is predicted by advertising spend. And let's highlight the key statistics. So highlight the R square and intercept and the X variable coefficient and the p-value. So now we will prepare a PDF output for Modern Living's internal report. So the first thing, we should adjust the layout to fit in one page. Just put them in the same page and click the file. Let me find the file. Where is my file? This way, and find the print. Click the print, and we should click the scale to fit, which is one page wide by one page tall, and it will show up like this. And I will click the PDF, which is save as PDF, and just save it. So that's the end of our week 9 Excel analysis. We've explored the relationship between advertising spend and revenue using both visual and statistical tools. So don't forget to submit your reaction answer in the formula. So thanks for watching.